CKZ distribution. Y'all got a website?
A website, yes we do. Retrohighs.com.
What was it?
Retrohighs with a Z.com.
Retrohighs.com. Right on. Thank you.
Have you smoked out a retro?
Nah.
Oh. I mean, like, let's do social media. Let's do content. I got
Let's go.
you. Let's run this thing right now. I'm the right nigga. All right, let's go ahead. Corey, tell me.
Me?
Yeah,
Oh, I'm Frankie from the Kanna Krew. What up? What about you?
I'm Anthony, CEO of Retro Highs.
Let's go. Let's go.
Did something for the culture.
Okay.
Hey, let me know something. When have you seen a retro as a handpipe?
Got 'em off the sneakers.
Yeah.
Let's go.
When's the last time you seen a handpipe like this?
I've never seen one like that.
Yeah, I did it for the culture. People go crazy over their shoes. Like, if you look at glass right now, like, I've been in the industry, what really resonates with you? Like, oh, it has dope colors. Like, you know what I'm saying? There's nothing that really hits your soul or something like that, that, like, we grew up on and stuff like that. So when you actually get this one, and you get it in a shoebox with the tissue paper, home insert, and you pop out your retro, it's like buying a fresh pair of kicks. And everybody's gonna wanna buy your fresh pair of kicks. And they wanna get every single colorway they like. And then they don't share their kicks. So this is my personal pipe. That's how I feel about my Retro Highs.
Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Where can you get them? On the website?
Get them on the website or at CKZ or directly through Empire Glassworks.
Let's go.
Let's go ahead and get Retro High.
Let's go. Thanks, homie. Yes, sir.
That's a sick set.
Appreciate you.
I like you want to do some content.
We also have a line of vape products here. This is the Switch. There's a detachable battery. Do that. You can charge your phone with that.
Okay.
Cool flavors.
Okay.
Pretty decent product.
And then you got, so what's your website?
Goldwhip.com or gwvapes.com.
Right on. Gold Whip Vape.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Ready?
Do you have a website? What is it?
AffinityLeaf.com, and then we also have a QR code that leads to our full catalog and everything.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Lazy Susan in this piece. Hello. Do you have a website?
Sorry?
Do you have a website?
Yes, lazysusan.com.
Awesome. You can get everything there?
Yes, you can.
Awesome. Thank you. Hello. Hi. Do y'all have a website?
Yes, do you have a website?
Yeah, a website. You have one?
We have website.
Yeah.
Well, all the products you can find on this website.
Kangvapes.com.
Different brands, but they all do
All the different brands.
Yeah.
Okay. And what makes this the best?
Well, first of all, it's a really cool design. They're 30,000 puffs, and you can change the voltage with double click. I really like that you can hang it. It's like really nice design.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you.
This book, I guess.
Huh?
These both of these books.
You have a website? Do you have a website?
Yes.
What is the website?
JustEvo.com.
JustEvo.com. Awesome. Thank you. Am I in front of you? How's it going? Y'all got a website? A website? SpectrumLabs.net?
Oh, this one.
This one.
Sorry about that.
Yourinluck.com/wholesale. Right on. Thank you.
Come on, bro, get me on there, bro. Go on, naked worm gummies, Delta 9, breakaway technology. Come on, baby. Stop playing with the boys. Indica sativa hybrid.
What's the website?
Nakedworm.com. Nakedworm.com. What do you guys, is it live?
No.
You're gonna be YouTube video?
YouTube video.
PrismSmokeShop.com. Check them out.
PrismSmokeShop.com.
Let's go.
The best website ever. Check out
Let's
our boys from Bleed Cleaning.
Yeah.
Fire stuff, cleaning supplies.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What up? What
I'll show
up?
you a little 20-second demonstration, all right? It's real simple. We got a bong grinder cleaner solution made in USA. It's a 3-in-1 setup. All you gotta do, you give you a brush, microfiber cloth, one for good luck. That grinder, when it's all sticky, nasty, having a hard time spin, put it in one by one, pour in the solution, clicks on, shake, bake. 5 minutes later, all you gotta do now is clean it up, that last minute tip top magoo. That's ready for some pizza spice and that nasty mess back in the cup. We're all done.
Let's go. Right on, man. What's the website?
BleedCleaning.com. You can also find us on Amazon.
Right on.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
You.
So we do this land, and this back wall, and then we go upstairs. Right?
Let's go. We learned how much smaller Las Vegas was than Champs. The whole video last time was 2 hours. What's the website?
How's it going?
Yeah,
HonDistro.com.
what was that again?
HonDistro.com. HON-distro.com.
Awesome.
Check us out.
Thank you. Do you have a website? What is the website?
It's pureganjika.com.
What was it again?
Pureganjika.com.
Yourganjika.com. Thank you. Kratom extract.
You have an ounce with that, you know what I'm saying?
take this by the kilo and you.
What up? Y'all got a website for the Kratom mix?
Yeah, we do.
What's the website?
Some samples?
I just want to. We're filming a video for every booth and every product at the show.
Yeah, so just kratomix.com.
Awesome.
Kratom YX at the end.
KratomYX.com.
Yep.
Right on. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
You get them? Did you film this? Y'all got a website?
All our socials are right on here. Peacemakergear.com.
Peacemakergear.com.
Yep. Thank you.
Hello. You have a website? PayNetSystemsLLS.com. LLC. No. We're making a video every booth and every product at CHAMPS.
I don't have any product.
You got a booth?
Famous.
But we might be back to talk about that for our store though.
With my boss, I lost my voice.
Okay. Thank you. You have a website?
We do. GreekGlassShop.com, GreekDistro.com. Would you like one big bag? So you only got one set of handles to carry all those.
Yeah. Dope. Thank you.
What do you guys work with?
We're filming every booth and every product here at the show, putting it on YouTube.
What's your YouTube?
Kanna Krew.
Kanna Krew?
Kanna Krew with K's.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's see.
I'll check it out.
The best piece is me trying to fit this in the bag. Right on. Thank you.
All right.
Everything's available on your website?
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Cool. Appreciate you.
All right. Thank you.
This is a big bag. Let's go. You work here?
Yeah.
You have a website?
Yes, it's Shelter Distributors. ShelterDist and KnivesDist.com.
Awesome. Thank you.
Here's my card.
Thank you.
Just in case.
Thank you. YHSsmoke.com. That's the website. Yeah, Brain City. What up? Y'all got a website?
We do.
What's the website?
TheHazeConnect.com.
TheHazeConnect.com.
Would you like to smell any flowers?
Sure. Smells pretty good. Let's go. Appreciate you, man. Very good.
Yeah. We have that in Canada, so we can contact.
Okay, contact with me. I can do good. It's right here.
Man, see this man. Is there a website? Is there a website?
Yeah, limecannabis.co.
And what makes it the best?
What was that?
What makes it the best?
We're the number 3 selling pre-roll brand in California.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
Do you guys want a pre-sip?
Sure.
They're triple infused.
Awesome.
Yeah, enjoy.
Thank you. Do y'all have a website?
We do.
What's the
How are you
website? I'm doing pretty good.
So we do Fusion Hippie. You can scan the little QR code and it'll bring all of our websites.
FusionHippie.com?
Yes, sir. My name's Addison. I'm the warehouse manager.
Okay.
Yeah, what's your name, buddy?
Frankie, what makes your stuff the best?
So we only do with highest quality stuff.
Okay.
Everything is indoor grown.
Okay.
It's AAA quality. We have about 5 different growers, about 30 different rotating strands. We do anything from bulk flower. We do concentrates. We do vape pens. We also do peanut butter cups and gummies. We're also getting into the CBD line as well.
Cool.
So we only strive to be the best in everything that we do. We stand behind our products. Everything that we have is COA.
Cool. Awesome. Appreciate you, man.
Thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Yes, sir.